Sharework is a cooperative located in the Basque country. We are 160 employees and we have two main activities. In one hand, we manufacturing power transmissions components, and in the other hand, we have the business of splicing. We want to use a cobots in our assembly areas for improve our productivity, and we would like to know in which way we need to adapt our products for collaborate with cobots. The main benefits that we would like to achieve from the Sharework project from the point of view of the humans is the ergonomy of the operators and to guarantee the safety of the employees.
Sharework is a research and innovation project funded by the European Commission under the Horizon 2020 program. The project is led by Eurecat, a technology center located in Barcelona and participated by 15 partners from 6 different European countries. The 4 years project, running since November 2018, aims at developing new technologies for efficient human-robot collaboration to be validated in manufacturing environments. Sharework will completely redesign the workplace at Goizper facilities by increasing ergonomy and reducing the physical effort of operators in the assembly and quality inspection tasks.
El ensamblaje de la máquina a la hora de poner y quitar tornillos puede llegar a ser un trabajo muy repetitivo y esa monotonía puede concluir en errores humanos que pueden ser fatales para el funcionamiento de la máquina. Por otro lado, a la hora de girar el eje, podemos encontrarnos mucho tiempo haciendo la misma postura, el mismo esfuerzo, un esfuerzo continuo que puede acabar en lesiones.
All the assembly is manual and it's made by the workers, and we don't have any automated task. In Sharework project, we will work on 3 tasks where the cobot will help to the worker and we will improve the quality of the product. The first task is the bolt tightening of the locking ring. This is a specific task that needs to follow a correct procedure or pattern. The second one is the general bolt tightening. This involves more than 30 bolts along of the process. And the third one will be the rotation of the input shaft.
En el tema del anillo de fijación, lo que haríamos sería evitar en lo posible el tiempo de montaje, atornillar los platos, también sería un tema muy parecido. Y por último, con el tema del eje de entrada, se trataría de evitar esfuerzos, trabajar la ergonomía, al final, además de poder montar con mayor facilidad, evitar posibles lesiones al montador.
We see 3 clear benefits that Sharework will provide us. One of them is cycle time reduction. On the other hand, we have a quality control improvement. And last but not least, we have the ergonomy issue. Our operators nowadays, sometimes they have arm and back injuries. That one of the goals of Sharework is reducing this percentage of injuries.